Okay. Yep. Flying to.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So today we're in South.
We're at Mariners Cove and we're on a boat.
We're on the way to Philippines.
We're going to the Philippines.
We're here to tell you that Anthony's leaving us.
He's leaving, guys. Tell him to stay.
I'm moving to Victoria.
He's single.
Yes, he is single and ready to mingle. His name
Isn't he a catch?
Exactly. Very pretty boy.
Seriously.
One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back sa channel. Paris. Nandito kami ngayon sa Gold Coast. So it is Sunday and it's currently 10:50 ng umaga. Kakapark lang talaga namin. So Daddy Mike is there pushing the pram. This is Selene. So iyak na ang ating baby girl. And this is Ate Paris. Do you say hi na?
Hi.
Ikaw is big girl ni Mama eh. I love your dress.
Thank you.
Oh, careful, careful. Hold na Miss Henry. Yes. No. Look at the dog. The dog has got a big face na.
Is that
Big head. Yeah.
my cousin?
Nandito ba sila?
Why is that
Ask
my
Mason
cousin or
McPark.
somebody else?
Somebody else, sweetie.
I thought it was my cousin.
Don't be scared. Have a look. So, dito kami sa Mariners
No, I'm
Cove.
gonna go. I'm gonna go in that though.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
You just have to hold on tight, my love. Ayan, so hinihintay namin sila. Mga pinsan ko guys, nandito kaming lahat today. So, it's very hard to find a parking.
Are you using that one or that one?
What is it na?
Which bar gun? That big one over there that has the track?
Yeah, the big one. The big one, not that one.
That one's too scary.
Yeah.
Scary.
Oh, here. Hello, everyone. How are you? Good. Nice to see you again. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Hello.
I don't know if we can come in. You're bad luck.
You're bad luck on the boat. Bad luck on the boat. Oh, do you know something like that?
Good. Oh, hello, Tiffany.
Here we'll find out when
How
we
are
get
you?
stuck.
Hi, how are you doing? Oh, so yeah, thank you.
Hello. So cute.
That's good.
Yeah, it's our day today.
Bongga na rin. My tita
Bongga.
Christine. There's everyone there. I'm Jovi. Hi, nice to meet you.
That's good. Are we can bringing everything?
Nasa ba itong... Liniela, ito natatakot na. Huwag kang matakot, anak. Tingnan niyo ang damit ng ating mga baby girls, guys. Oh. Ano yan sila? Swimming.
Camera doesn't like.
Ah! Mura mag-mafia. Hi!
Very, very strong.
How are you?
Good.
That's good. Hello. How are you doing? Hi, Mary. How are you? That's good.
How are you?
Hilak. So good siyang hilak. Yay.
Oh, I'm driving traffic.
Yeah, no, she didn't sleep. So,
Traffic is hard today.
expected na yun siya na grumpy. She was crying the whole time. The whole way.
I'm allergic to the sun, so.
Yeah. So am I.
Put sunscreen yet, though.
So am I. Oh, gentle kami guys. Oh, exciting. First time namin. Shall like this be? Para makita ang ating mga kamukhaan. Okay, so we'll go down here. Meron kaming should be fine. Oop. Oop. Ayan, si Daddy Mike natin ay kinakargas babysitting kasi ayaw magpalagay. Diyan kami sasakay. Bob, is Paris there now, Bob?
That's really about it. I can Bluetooth your music to our stereo speakers in here at the front. And that's really about it, folks. Any questions? Now, if you want to make some room, there's a little storage area down here. You can put some things that you're not going to use there if you want to give you some. Yeah, if you want to give you some more room.
Are you excited?
I am excited.
Are you excited? So there's a sasakyan namin, guys.
Anyone who's using a
Pagkain nila. Ay, be careful, te. Be careful, ha? Sunscreen na tito, Ito, kasi masunog itong beauty to.
Hello, Sulit. Hello. Tatay. Tatay.
Lao, mag-sunscreen na dahil mong ati na. Guys, sanan niyo, ondar na lang pagkain. Payak-iyak ko siya papunta namin dito, guys. 1 hour and 30 minutes drive dahil sa traffic. Oh, in Mabahag.
Go back. Where's your bag?
Bob, I have to put sunscreen on Paris, Bob. Paris!
Thank you, Mike. Yeah, pretty good, pretty good.
Hey, how are you? Where's Guy? Hello, Celine. Jay. Hello.
I'm going to swim in the ocean.
We're leaving now. Ating baby ay umiyak man, oh. Tito na was teasing her. Yan, ang ating ati Paris na nandun na, oh. Transit na sa kanyang mga tito. You're right, sweetie girl. You're okay, my love. Yeah, yeah. You're gonna have fun, okay? Ayaw, gadlo ka. Ikaw lagi, basta kari ka lang na nga. Kapag loko ka na. Basta lagi.
Do you guys
You want to go on the top?
welcome to our vlog.
Welcome back to our channel. We're taking over the channel now.
Joanne, the lawyer.
This is Juju.
I'm just Joy.
No, this is Juju.
Yes, Juju.
This is Tita
Sorry.
Juju.
Tita Juju. Yes, so we're now
And then we're now on a boat. There's food being served behind us as we speak.
there's Celine.
And there's the actual host. That's it. Welcome back to our channel. The actual host is now here, so
She's just eating, you know. This is Tita Christine. Say hi to the camera.
Oh, hi!
Because you go down in the boat. Yeah.
What? We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, flying to
Hello guys,
the
welcome
sky.
to my vlog. Today we're in South Africa.
We're at Mariner's Cove and we're on a boat.
We're on the way to Philippines.
We're going to the Philippines. Punta na tayo sa Filipina.
In the back.
No, we're here to tell you that Anthony's leaving us.
He's leaving, guys. Tell him to stay.
I'm moving to Victoria.
He's single.
Yes, he is single and ready to mingle. His name
Isn't he a catch?
Exactly. Very, very pretty boy.
No, seriously.
We don't know where the host is now.
I think she went back to Philippines.
Hey, do you have the sunscreen?
I have some cans.
Want some for your hair as well?
I'm bloated.
Hey guys.
This is my you have to go down the can't
Oh, apparently they're praying.
Happy
Alright, serve yourself, guys.
Congrats again, kid.
Congratulations,
Congratulations.
Hi, Anthony.
Yeah.
This is the reason why we're here, guys. I haven't. Oh, you're too tall. They can't see your face. Ito na sa guys, bakit nandito kami? Excuse me. It's lunchtime. So we're here because.
What are you eating?
Bro, you're gonna fall down. Careful.
Yeah, you know I can't swim, right?
He joined
I'm a baby.
Navy. And meron na siyang.
You don't know how to swim. I thought you knew how to swim.
He'll be away for 1 year. So today we're gonna have fun. Congratulations. We'll miss you.
I'll miss you too.
Don't cry yet.
Make me cry.
We will cry.
Don't think about it too much.
Juby, asan mo yung kamera?
You have to go down, they can't see you. This is Tita Christine.
This is my tita Bamba. That's why.
Oh, by the way,
Daddy, get Paris.
yogurt.
Sure.
One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl. When the rainbow's over, you kiss, no one needs to know.
Tito EJ is there na, nak. Oh, have a look, nak.
Is this going to make us swim there?
Yes. Ang dami kong pagkain.
I want to swim, Daddy. I want to swim.
Pandesal. You wanna swim? Yeah. You have to wait for daddy, anak.
Whoa. Oh,
when the kids get on, nothing happens, but when the adults get on, boom.
I'm part of the crew now. Okay?
Pila bayad mo? Basta mo.
How much do you pay for me this one? Yeah, cut mine. Don't forget my name. Ligo kaya? Want to go, but then bring some fruit.
Hadlukan mo ganyan. Uy! Hadlukan.
I can't swim, guys.
Tapos siya, guys. How about you? You're gonna swim or no?
It's cold.
So you can swim, but
It's cold. I wear my jacket. That's it.
so yan, oh. Sila, nag-swim na sila, oh. At if Harris went for a swim himself.
I don't want to hug you.
Tribe time?
I heard drive start.
What was it?
Drive start. You heard. What did you hear? Drive start. You heard.
Chafta.
Drafter.
Okay. What did you say?
Doesn't even know.
Oh damn! I thought I was the only one drinking. We're gonna have to do it again just for the word. So no points. Yeah.
Can we try sentences now?
Yeah.
Although I don't think we're ready. But do you want to try a sentence? What is it?
Paris loves kisses?
Did you change your name?
He comes back. Anthony likes KFC.
Yeah.
Anthony likes KFC. What did you say?
And I said Kyra loves kisses.
Ah, yeah, that's why.
Anthony loves KFC.
Anthony loves kids.
Anthony likes KFC.
Actually, change. I said Kyra loves KFC.
Anthony, change it. Let's send Anthony to jail.
On the ocean, like big waves on the ocean.
Can I just ask you guys
It's like
to do
Oh, okay, do we have to move now?
This is my life song. Take back my life song. Bring back more right song. Life has turned out. Stand right
I
my
know.
peace song. I'm
Sana all.
playing my right song. Nobody cares. Nobody else. Not
Get a cake. Good luck, Anton. Where's Anton naman? Asan si Anthony? Ah, here. Are you gonna blur candle? Dami pang pagkain na iwan, guys. Nakabalik lang namin, guys. Ang kulingit nga bata nagkaon chocolate. Huh? Chocolate cake? Dunggo na ni. Everyone's getting on.
And who's that water?
Ultra, nandito pa. Asan man si Daddy Mike? Andun na ang iba. Apparently, we're going to a different place now. Punta kami ng beach.
Come.
Yeah, okay. Bongga ni Teta, guys. Oh. Welcome to the Philippines! Welcome to the Philippines!
Passports?
Dito na kami sa beach. Hinahanap namin sila. Sabi nila, malapit na sila sa red tsaka yellow na flag. Nalileto kami kasi may red and yellow flag there. Tapos may red and yellow flag there. So,
Look how many seashells I got.
how many?
I don't know. I'll have to count.
A lot.
Yeah, I got a lot.
Daddy Mike. Baby girl is here. Mama's very tired naman. Oy, the arm is very tired. So we just stayed on that barrack for a couple of hours. No, actually, no, I think 3 hours. And it was fun. That was our first time. The kids, me, my first time. For sure, Daddy Mike has done something like that before. Kami lang naman talaga ang wala na, lang na. Up, up, up! Up! Come on! Come on now! Lini! Celine! Celine! After 25 minutes, we finally found them. So we had to walk from here, from there. Hanggang dito, sobrang layo guys. Baby Celine natin ay hinahawakan muna ni Tita Joy niya kasi Paris and Mommy will go. Toilet muna. Toilet break. Kasi yung bladder natin parang ma-explode na eh. Daddy! Bob! Look up! Toilet! Joy, stand! What's EJ doing here? Hello?
Oh, you're here there. What the heck? Yeah, the Jovi's here. She keeps asking me today.
Hi, where are you? Were you working? More money. Just go toilet. Go toilet.
I'm taking some more seashells.
We'll go toilet first. Go toilet first. Oh, where do you think toilet is?
It's not my favorite beach in Sydney, but what
Yeah, we're going up there, guys. We'll find a place where we can eat our food.
That is
Yan, mag-barbecue sana. Kaya lang, wala kaming makitang ma-barbecuehan dito.
out of all the beaches.
Wala ding
I like
table. So ayan, we'll find somewhere up there.
One piece next to Fuji.
Na nag-ski oh. Laman noon, mga drinks. So it's currently 4 o'clock ata ngayon.
Bondi, Fuji, Bronte.
What's her name, Paris? What's her name? The one who gave you that?
The northern beaches of Sydney.
You don't know!
Sunshine Coast.
You better ask her.
You should never accept
Like Manly, that.
Yeah, I know!
Princess is.
Wala! Ang prinsesa sa ibabaw ng ski.
I ride in style.
And that's why Paris loves it every time. Oh, we're gonna go see the cousins! Yeah, she always feel love. Ito nyo, kahit mabigat sakay! Lini! Hi! Oh my gosh! Sleepy na yan. Oh, I'm actually hungry. I'm definitely gonna eat.
So excited to eat. Some I didn't eat it all today. I was like too busy.
You know what? Yeah, Mike got so excited with the water and all.
Oh
So
my gosh. I mean, who wouldn't?
yeah, I know. No, but he's extra.
Extra
Like you know,
excited.
whenever he sees water, yeah,
Go crazy.
yeah.
A few moments later.
It's 9:05 ng gabi. Umuwi. Obviously, nakauwi na kami guys. Nandito kami sa bahay. So the two kids.
I'm feeding you.
The two kids are now asleep. And lagay lang namin ito siya sa fridge. So obviously, kapag umuwi kami from kainan with the family here, merong break house. Ayan. So, pinadalhan kami ni Tita Christine nito. Sobrang daming pagkain, guys. Kaya sobra. So much food. Daddy Mike looks like a shrimp, a cooked shrimp. Tingnan niyo, sobrang pula ng kanyang mukha, oh. Sunbathing pa more. Pagdating niya doon, lagay kagad ng sunscreen. Init. Kasi itong skin nila ay madaling masunog. Should I? See, tingnan nyo ang difference ng mukha. It looks like it's drunk.
No.
I'm saying, you look like you're drunk because you're all red. Kasi sobrang init. Kahit, well, the sun was not up really the whole time, Daddy, but it's still strong, yeah.
Well, for hours now.
Yeah. So, we stayed in that boat for 3 hours kasi nirentahan nila ng 3 oras. I asked my tita kasi I was very curious pa kung magkano yung ganun. Because I've never been in that boat before. So, sabi nila for 3 hours, it's $1,500. So, yeah, it's expensive. It was not cheap at all. Tapos, sobrang dami pang pagkain. Alam niyo, daming pagkain. Tapos, in the afternoon, we still decided na mag-barbecue pa kasi gusto nilang parang mainit, fresh na pagkain. So, nag-barbecue pa talaga ang mga person, ang mga fefo, ang mga person. So, ito yung inanamit kita kasi sa akin. So, sobrang daming rice. Ayan. Tapos, may cake. Ang tawag ito, mga banana bread or carrot cake or something. Tapos, meron pa tayong puto. Iba-iba ko pink and green. And dito, hindi ito namin makakain lahat, guys. Sobrang dami talaga kasing pagkain. Grabe. Super blessed. Nag-uumakaw. Nag-bus. So, ito yung sa kabilang plastic. So, meron pa mga ganito. Ayan. So, I don't think makakain to namin lahat. I'll keep the rice. Kasi kakainin ko tong rice. And then, meron tayong, ano tawag dito? Palabok. Tapos, may sandwiches pa. Let's see what's this one. Thank you, tita. And tito. Oh, may adobo pa. Thank you, Calvillo family. For the day and for all this food. Ito yung binarbecue namin kanina. So, yun na yun. But we might see Anthony before he leaves kasi aalis siya papuntang Melbourne 10th of October ata. So, we still have 2 weeks? Yeah, 2 weeks. So, yeah, he's going to Victoria. I think yung place kung saan talaga siya magte-training is maybe a couple of hours from Melbourne. But sabi niya, I think 1 year siya mag-stay doon for the training. And he'll come here to visit when he can. But yeah, my tita Christine is already emotional. And yeah, I would understand, guys, kasi 2 lang yung anak niya, tapos he's the youngest. Ngayon ay, adulting life na, he's joining the Navy and, he's following his dreams. So, yung tita Christine ko, namimiss na yung kanyang anak. Umiiyak na siya. Wawa naman ang aking tita Christine ay. But I feel, sabi ko nga sa kanila, I understand kasi hindi ko nga maisip kapag si Paris at Celine one day ay bubukod na rin. Alam niyo ba yun? So, talagang iiyak din ako. Alam niyo na, kapag mama, sobrang emotional. So, I'm just gonna put this away now, guys. Sobrang dami nito eh. Sayang, wala kakain, guys. Diba, masisira na to. Itong may salmon. Yeah, we have to chuck this away now because I don't think it's gonna be good. 2 kiddos ay nakatulog na kaagad. Pagdating namin dito, transfer lang namin sila kaagad sa bed kasi sobrang tired na, especially Ate Paris, guys. My goodness, I don't know kung saan niya nakukuha lahat ng energy niya. Hindi naman siya kumakain ng marami, guys. Today, puto, kinain niya. Pero ang energy ay sobrang taas. So, nakatulog na yung 2. Si Celine, paiyak-iyak nung pauwi kami. So overtired na rin yun. Anyways, I'll end the vlog here now, guys. Alam niyo bang sobrang sleepy na rin ako. Anong oras kami natulog kagabi? Daddy Mike, nanood kami ng TV. Mga 1 o'clock na yun. Tapos, kailangan namin magising early kasi maaga yung biyahe namin papuntang Gold Coast kaninang umaga. So, sobrang konti lang ng tulog. Ang aking mata ay, tingnan nyo. Anyways, I'll do a quick shout out before I end ng vlog, guys, ha? So, shout out to Janzi Pinay in Australia. Feli Ilamparo. Jesus is coming back. Repent. George Plaxton. Hello. Shout out to Lenny Langit, Maricar Castaneda, Yet Balino, Sweet Shy Kulit, Mary Ann, Gold Light Gamer _YT, Loleta La Cuesta, Jocelyn Lida, Mercy Narito, Remedios Pauline, Naida Trofil, Delaney Prince, and Jean Bugsy. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye. Mwah.